Shit, they got the TRX. That be nice though. That be a Whine ass. But we took up the whole road. God damn. There comes the TRX again. Sheesh. God damn. TRX coming up. My phone is flying my head. Comes the TRX. I ain't gonna lie, bro. That's the type of shit I be liking, yo. The Rex next to me, though. Woo! Shit! Man. Sheesh. Hey, I can't even talk right now. Great action. I swear to God, this shit is all the way in the back. Y'all look at this. Shit. I'm trying to make it to the front. Me, bitch. This fool's driving crazy, bro. Everybody trying to get over. Get over, get over, get over. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh. What are you doing? That's why I don't like being in no ride out, bro. These niggas don't know how to drive, bro. Goofballs, bro. Oh my God, bro. The bridge only got 2 lanes, fool. Slow down, nigga. Where the fuck you going? Bro, where the fuck is this nigga going, bro? I'm gonna make myself to the front. Yeah. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't even thought I was gonna record today, bro. Shit. Fuck, niggas driving crazy, bro. I don't want nobody running into the back of the track now. I just got this motherfucker back from the dealership. Bro, what the fuck? Get out the road, bro. Get out the road, cuz. Bro, we got a Toyota Camry right here in the pack. Bro, this shit crazy. Get out the stack, bro. Come on. These niggas are crazy, bro. These motherfuckers are crazy. I don't even want to switch lanes, bro. You can't even see that shit. Motherfuckers out here, bro. These niggas don't give a fuck. I was not ready for this one. Straight action, straight action. Oh shit. These motherfuckers are crazy. What the fuck? What the hell's going on here? Get out the road, pizza boy! God damn, that shit loud. You gotta watch out when you switching lanes. Them boys be coming up fast, bro. That's them scat packs and them Daytona sounding like that. God damn. Move your bum more out the way, man. God damn. I don't know how much gas that boy going through like a motherfucker. Holy shit. I gotta switch lanes. That Daytona loud as fuck. Holy shit. That Daytona's so goddamn loud, bro. Trying to shoot it? Oh my fucking God, bro. Holy shit. I thought that shit was a bullet, boy. Ain't got no more gas in there. Can't be. It been popping since we started. Holy shit. God damn. Shit sound like gunshots, dog. What the fuck? Are we exiting? What the hell are they doing? Holy shit. Shit sound like gunshots, bro. We call it easy. We got an SRT Jeep right here.
I'm just a ghetto boy.
I don't know. This fool right here gonna get me. It's too much action, bro. Too much action. I don't know where the fuck they going at this point. Yo! Hey! I have to record, dog! Too much! I was recording the whole time! I had to! Holy shit. I had to, bro. I had to. I ain't gonna lie, I didn't want to record today just because I just wanted to chill. I know. I was recording on the highway the whole time. Yeah. Too much action, bro. Ooh, they been whining. Get out the fucking way, man. Come on. Can I cut through out here? Oh, look at this cat right here. Shit pretty. I swear to God, these niggas cannot drive, but you gotta be careful with this shit. I don't know what Pizza Hut them niggas going to. Holy shit. about to turn up right there. Okay, it's over there. Alright. This fucking Daytona been burping all day. Nigga ain't got no gas in this shit. I guarantee it. Ain't got no gas in there, bro. Can't be. Woo. Got the police cruising around. Uh-oh. They about to crash the party. They about to crash the party or not? I don't know what they doing. Pembroke Pines. I'm recording their ass. It's quiet. It's so quiet right now. We're in the park. Obviously, they don't have their lights on, so we must be good. So I don't know what they're doing.
Good evening, everybody. Good evening. Everyone out here on this little car show, I just ask that everyone just do right. If you see someone doing wrong, tell them to stop so we don't have to come out here and disturb you guys. You guys are not doing anything wrong. You're having a good time. Continue to have a good time. We'll just leave everybody alone. Just make sure if you see someone doing something wrong,
It's a good guy right there.
Stop so we don't have
It's a good cop.
Have a good night.